Hi folks, Cory here with Wilder Gun. I'm here with another pendulum tip for you. And this is another exercise, and it's an exercise that you can do at home without going anywhere, okay? It's kind of fun, very easy to do. The exercise, I mean. Developing the skill a little bit harder. This is actually a skill that I struggle with a little bit when it comes to pendulum work. I'm really good with readings. I am really good with energy work and using pendulums in my energy practice. I use pendulums in ritual. What I'm not really good with pendulums on is dowsing. I know, right? I mean, originally, this is what pendulums were used for, to dowse, to find or locate something, okay? And this exercise I call hide and dowse. The reason why I do that is because what you're gonna do with this exercise is you're going to have somebody else, okay? This is key. Okay, you could have your kids, you could have your partner, you could have your roommate, whoever it is you live with, okay? Or have a friend come over and they're gonna hide an object in your home. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go dowse for its location. And you can do that in one of two ways, okay? You can either sit there at the table after they've hidden the object, obviously, and sketch out some sort of floor plan of your house, okay? It doesn't need to be pretty. This one doesn't even really make sense. Just doodled this out in like 2 minutes. But it's just an example, right? We've got first floor, second floor. We've got rooms broken up. That's really all you need, okay? Because what you're going to do is have your floor plan sitting in front of you, and then you're gonna take your pendulum, okay? And you're going to essentially dowse, moving from room to room, asking where the object is located. Is it located here? Is it located here? Is it located here? Until you get a positive, an affirmation, okay? The second way that you can do this is actually going from room to room, okay? Take your pendulum out, go room to room, and say, is the object located here? If you get a yes, any sort of affirmative answer, then that's where you look, okay? You may not always be accurate when you do this type of exercise, but that's the point, is you're practicing in order to get better, in order to develop your dowsing skills, okay? I, right now, really only have like a 60% hit rate. Which is not really good, okay? But we're not doing surgery here, right? We are just improving our skills, okay? So try that out. Let me know in the comments below how it goes, and happy dowsing.